If you usually chat with lots of people every day, some important conversations can get lost in the crowd. The solution to this problem is to pin a conversation. This way, you will always have it at the top of the page, regardless of whether the chat's been active lately. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to pin conversation on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the chat icon at the bottom bar. Long tap on particular person you want to pin conversation of. From the pop-up menu, tap on Chat Settings. Tap on Pin Conversation. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to pin conversation on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.